Hey there, car enthusiasts, it's time to take your car cleaning game to the next level with the Car Window Cleaner Brush Kit. This incredible cleaning tool is designed to make your life easier and your car look better than ever. With its long handle and soft, smooth nanofiber brush, this kit allows you to reach all those hard-to-reach spots on your car's windshield and interior glass. Not to mention, the high-quality ABS material makes this brush durable and long-lasting, so you won't have to worry about replacing it anytime soon. Whether you're a car detailing pro or just someone who loves keeping their car clean, this kit is perfect for you. It's lightweight, easy to use, and designed to make your car cleaning experience more efficient and enjoyable. But that's not all. This kit isn't just for cars. It's great for cleaning house windows, television screens, and mirrors, too. Plus, it's even washable and reusable, so you can feel good about using it over and over again. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your car cleaning arsenal with the Car Window Cleaner Brush Kit today. Click the link in the description to grab yours now and experience the difference it can make for your car.